Hi guys, welcome to Senamile Gumeta's big day. Basically today it's her MD. Boo, 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 boo. Girl, we are so proud of you. We're wishing you all the best for the day and please do come back with a happy. Okay. Sense do. Yeah, I'm Zala.
Wow.
It's not my MD. It's a big day for the MD 2025. The children are doing matric this year, so they are saying goodbye to high school and next year they're starting tertiary. So my daughter is here together with her friends and colleagues, so it's a big day for our children.
Right? Keep it.
Guys, this is Senas MD 2025. Today's day was very hectic. I don't want to lie. The makeup artist came very late and Imoto came very late and I was so impatient. Being a So I just want to thank my parents ukuthi bakwazile ukungenzela lento le because bekade kunomcimbi, so imali bingekho khona kahle, but bazamile ukuthi bangenze libe kuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi. Like I want to thank them and I love them unconditionally. The MD is in July. We are approaching our prelims and our final examinations. I don't want to lie, I'm pretty nervous about it, but I have faith in myself that I'll make it and I'll make my parents proud. And after that, I'll go to varsity and do a course under construction. Like, I want to follow my dad because, you know, I love my dad, like, so yeah, after that, yeah, those are the plans. Thank you.